Here, hello, it's me and Joyce. Back with back in part 3 on another Bachmann Thomas and Friends review on troublesome truck number 6 out on the track. On one siding, I have troublesome truck number 1 and troublesome truck number 2. You can see by my finger. And here's Edward waiting on the siding for his train. So much better in this angle. Nope. Boy, I really love David Mitten's idea of having this angle. So oh man, the controller's right there. Oh, sorry, must have get shocked. So Edward's right there on the siding. Oh, wrong way. And the bogey happened again. It's been a while since I brought my track out. Oh. Nope. Now everything. Now for Edward to okay, just crap. Might as well deal with this one right now before any derailments happen. Okay, wait, come on. Come on, break. Line up correctly. Aha. Yes. Lined up correctly and carefully. Now, onto the view. Ooh, little big bang right there. Wrong way. Whoops, wrong way. Dang, another big bang. Let's go for it. And Trump, and he's on his way. Troublesome truck number 1, 2, and 6. I'm assuming that was a joke because I don't have troublesome truck number 3, 4, and 5 yet. Which is something that I need to deal with sometime in the future. Okay, stop him right here. And now. Okay, that's been my entire review. Now let's go see. Let's go see this entire new look. And this new angle on this one again. Now, it felt like a real steam train. Felt like looking at a real steam train. Now, it felt so much better now. Jeez. Okay. Signing off. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, or you want to see more of this. If you haven't already. And see my new updates to my layout. Thanks for watching.